In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Firebase. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I want you to do is go to your GoDaddy dashboard, sign up, and then also go to your Firebase dashboard and sign up. Now, once you're on your Firebase, this is how it's going to look like. And we're going to go to the far right, and we're going to go to console. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to set up our Firebase hosting, and once we click on this, it's going to ask us for a project name, and we're going to call it Connect GoDaddy. We're going to accept the terms, and we're going to click on Continue, and enable Gemini in Firebase, and we're going to click on Continue. Now it's going to ask for analytics permission also. We're going to enable that, and we're going to click on Continue. Now to create a project, we need to configure Google Analytics, and we need to choose a Google Analytics account to create. We're going to choose the Pelican sample account, and we're going to create project. Now it says the Firebase project is ready, so we're going to click on Continue. And once our console has been loaded, now we're going to connect our GoDaddy domain. Now that we're here, on the left side, we're going to go to Build, and we're going to go to Hosting. Now on the hosting, it's going to ask you to get started, and you're going to click on Get Started. You're going to follow these instructions. To host your site, you need the Firebase CLI, so you're going to run this npm program to install Firebase on your local machine. And once you're done, you click on Next. You're going to initialize your project. You're going to sign into Google by opening your terminal and then run these commands. And once you're done, you're going to go to Continue to Console. Now on the Continue to Console, here you see the domains heading. Under the domains heading, you see Add Custom Domain. We're going to click on that. And here we're going to add our custom domain. Now we're going to go to GoDaddy, and we're going to find our domain that we want to add to Firebase. Now that we have the domain open, we want to add this domain to Firebase. So we're going to copy it. We're going to go to GoDaddy, and under the Add Custom Domain dialog box, we're going to click on Paste. And we're going to click on Continue. So now it says we need to edit the domain to set up this settings. To do that, first of all, we are going to add these records below to our GoDaddy domain. So we're going to go to GoDaddy. We're going to go to DNS. Now on the DNS, we are directly under the DNS records. So here we're going to scroll down, and we're going to add 2 records. Now here we're going to come to add a new record. We're going to choose the record type as TXT. We're going to go for the name. We're going to go to GoDaddy. So we have TXT. For the name, we're going to copy this. We're going to come to GoDaddy, and we're going to paste this. For the value, we're also going to go to Firebase. This is the value, so we're going to copy this. We're going to paste this in the value section, and we're going to now we have our DNS updated. We're going to go and do the same thing for the other record that we're asked to update also. Go to GoDaddy. We're going to add a new record, and we're going to add the type, and instead of the domain, we can use @ it's going to point to the domain. And once we click on save, it's going to update the records. And now we can go ahead to Firebase, and we can verify. Now it says record not detected yet. It can take up to 24 hours for changes to propagate, so we can close this dialog box and then check in later. We're going to close this for now. And just like that, we've been able to connect our GoDaddy domain to Firebase. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.